Yogurt drink with Anna.
Today, let's make some homemade yogurt together. We need a large container. By large, I mean massive. Maybe at least 5 liters. 400 milliliters of yogurt, which is out of the fridge for at least 45 minutes. 2 cans of condensed milk, 380 grams each. 1.1 liter of milk, and some fruits for optional extra taste. First off, let's open the 2 cans of condensed milk. So we'll grab the can opener. Turn it from right to left. It doesn't work. Try the opposite direction. Put it in your container. And be patient because condensed milk is kind of sticky and takes forever to pour out. When you run out of patience, grab a spoon or something to scoop the milk out. And don't waste anything. Just don't because you paid for it. Time for the second can. If you have tried your best to get all of the condensed milk out, but there is still some left inside, just leave the cans there. Don't give up, we can get it all out later. The next step is to boil 2.1 liters of water. Or if you have the freaking hot tap water, it's okay as well. You can pour the hot water in the can so that all the condensed milk will melt and you will be able to get it all out. Stir the condensed milk with the hot water until dissolved. It will take a little time, so be patient. After that, let cool until 50 degrees or when you feel just a little warm when touched. Let me change into a bigger pot first, so we'll have room for other stuff. Oh man, there is some condensed milk left at the bottom. Oh man, I wasted some. Next, get 1.1 liter of milk and pour in the mixture. After that, we're gonna measure out 400 milliliters of yogurt. Or if you have 4 small cups of yogurt like this, just dump all of them in. Oops, a little over 400. Just gonna scoop it back. If you have leftover yogurt, be sure not to waste any and put right back in the fridge and use it for later. You mix everything thoroughly and you can actually drink it now, but don't because it's not what you're making. Turn on the oven at 150°C or 300°F for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, clean up your kitchen a little bit because it's a good practice. When it has been 5 minutes, get a dark tray and fill with hot water. Then put it in the oven and carefully place your huge pot of yogurt mixture in it. Turn the oven off and let sit for 8 hours. After 8 hours, get a spoon and test the consistency. If too liquidy, replace the water in the tray and leave it there for a little longer. If yours is a little bit curdy like mine, maybe you can try shorter time next time because it's still edible. Pour the finished yogurt into bottles. You can reuse the milk gallon, but remember to rinse them off first. top of the bottle so no one mistake it with the milk. Let me say it again. Don't waste any drop. Yummy, just like you. If you want to add some flavor to your yogurt, you can blend some fruit, like what I'm using here is peach because I love peaches. Get rid of the juice or use it for something else because we are not using it in this recipe. Don't waste anything. Pour your blended peach in a saucepan and put on low heat and constantly stirring. The reason why we are not using the juice because it will take this step way longer. Stir until it becomes dense to your liking and you're all done. Let's start serving. You can either pour this syrup on the side like I do or just pour it directly in your yogurt and mix it up and enjoy. Totally up to you. If you want to make it fancy, pour it in a tall glass like this. Cheers, guys!